welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for showering your love towards my previous videos. And in this video, so many of you have asked me what products do I use for my hair, what hair products do I use and how do I choose them and all of that. So after using this serum, my hair feels very soft. Usually my hair doesn't feel soft at all, doesn't even feel a little softer. Not at all. Softness is not in my hair texture. So this serum has come to rescue, and this is like, it looks like an oil, feels like an oil, but spreads like a dream. And I'm going to clear you that in this video. So keep on watching. So if you guys watched my previous videos, you would have known that I use an hair serum after I shampoo my hair. I use herbal based shampoos and natural kind of a shampoos, which tends to dry my hair even more. I already have a dry and wavy hair, and these natural shampoos tend to dry my hair even more. So you guys know I use an hair serum to control my hair from not getting even more drier. So I'm going to introduce the product that I use for my hair. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So when it comes to hair, you guys, if you watch my previous videos, you know I'm very particular about my hair and the products that I used, and I'm very particular about that. So when it comes to my hair and hair serums, I use a L'Oreal Paris brand. This brand, L'Oreal Paris, has never failed to impress me. So this product has recently launched in India. So it was launched earlier in the rest of the world, and influencers from the rest of the world loved it. So I was very excited to try this as soon as it was launched in India. So as I was telling you, when it comes to my hair products, I'm very particular about it. And for serums, I only believe in the brand L'Oreal Paris. I've used almost all serums from L'Oreal Paris, and they never fail to impress me at all. So I love this brand, particularly when it comes to hair serums. And this is launched recently in India. It says L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. Guys, you have to see the texture of the serum, guys. Oh my god, this is perfect. I'm loving this texture, loving this consistency. Even my mom used this. You can see half of the bottle is empty. My mom and myself used this serum, and she loved it ultimately. And she did not have any habit of using a serums, but after using this, she's like, I'm going to use it every single day, and she's been using this every single day with me. So this product says it is for all hair types. So whether you have a curly hair, or you have a long and straight hair, or you have a wavy and frizzy hair, no matter what hair type you are, this product is going to work on you. Not only about the hair type, even if you have straightened your hair, or if you have done any chemical treatments to your hair, or if you have bleached your hair, or if you have colored your hair, this product is going to work, and it is very safe to use on your colored, bleached or any chemical treated hair. So previously I have used serums that have just one or maybe two ways to use it, but this serum says it can be used in 5 ways, and I have tested already 2 of them. So the 5 ways are: you can use this serum before shampoo, you can apply this serum onto your hair and go to sleep. The next morning you can wash your hair with your regular shampoo.
I took 2 pumps of the serum. I'm applying it on my hair. Do not forget the ends. Ends get really dry easily. After applying the serum, I put a bun and go to sleep.
The third way is you can use this before styling, and the fourth way is for finishing touch, and the fifth way to use the serum is that as an overnight treatment. I've used this as an overnight treatment, and this works so good. So let me tell you about the packaging. I know you guys love the product packaging and details in it. So this comes with this outer carton. Looks very luxe, guys, looks very premium to me. And this says it is infused with a blend of 6 flower oils. Let me read you the 6 flower nourishment in this oil. It has a lotus, tiare, rose, flax, chamomile and sunflower oils in it. Hair feels smooth and lightweight with a non-greasy finish, which is very true. Again, I love my serums which is non-greasy. I really don't like to use serums that is greasy or oily texture. When I got this in my hand, I thought it says extraordinary oil. So I was like, it says oil, like, should I use this or will it work on my hair? And then I put few drops onto my palm, and this is like, it looks like an oil, feels like an oil, but spreads like a dream. You will have to use it to feel the consistency, guys. The texture is so perfect. It feels like an oil, but it smoothens on your hair like a serum. I think this is rightly named Extraordinary Oil Serum. Yes, So that is the 5-flower oil, and that's the claims of it, and the fragrance is so good, guys. I really like they have also added about the fragrance in the packaging. The packaging comes with this glass bottle with a pump added to it. The pump is very good quality. You have a lock over here, so you can twist the cap and press the pump to get the oil out of the bottle. So that it is for the packaging. So let me tell you how I use it for myself. I use this in 2 ways. One way, I use it before shampoo.
Without this serum, my hair feels really dry. I apply this serum to tame it. Don't forget to apply this serum on the ends of the hair, as the ends are more drier than the rest of the hair.
So after using the serum, my hair feels very soft. Usually my hair doesn't feel soft at all, doesn't even feel a little softer, not at all. Softness is not in my hair texture. So this serum has come to rescue. Even my mom felt that this serum lasts on her hair for 24 hours. And one day she applied this oil and she left it on, and the next day she told me that this serum is working superb on her hair, that she could feel the softness even after the next day of using the serum. So this serum lasts even for the next day, and so if you have very dry hair, this will last up to for 8 hours. So it lasts up to 8 hours on my hair. So this is the result. This is a fantastic hair serum, guys. Hi guys, this is totally a different day. I thought of showing you the before and after effects of using this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum on my hair. So I thought let me show you guys the before and after of using the serum. So this is how my hair looks, and I washed my hair today and I did not apply anything after that. So this is how my hair looks. So now I'm going to apply this serum on my hair. Apply this especially onto your ends. So this is immediately after applying the serum. I will get you updated in every 2 to 4 hours. So hi guys, I'm back after 2 hours. So today is a shoot day and I finished my shoot. So I have put up this bun. Let me remove this and show you my hair. Ouch. So girls with a curly hair, wavy hair, if you have done treatments like keratin or colored your hair or bleached your hair, this will come to your rescue. I have used this product for quite some time and I'm telling you the results with you. And you guys know I'm very particular about my hair products, and some brands, very few brands, I believe in them. And when it comes to serum, I always believe in L'Oreal Paris. This is perfect for very dry hair. This product is priced at rupees 499 for 100 ml of the product, and I think rather than buying random serums in the market, you can invest in this product, and I'm sure this will last for quite some time. But I think you guys should invest in a product like this. If you want this to buy online, I will put up the links in the description box. You can check it out and buy if you want. If you are someone who style your hair a lot, and if you are someone who use blow drying for your hair, you can also use this serum before blow drying and before styling your hair. I hope this video would have helped you a little bit in understanding this hair serum. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Meghiti signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.